again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So before we get into today's video, I want to apologise. Yes, I am wearing my dressing gown and the cord is sticking up the bottom of the screen. I do apologise. My room was freezing, so I put my big pink fluffy dressing gown on, so do apologise, it does look very bizarre. So we have got Btartbox limited edition Christmas gift box. Guys, the quality of this box is fantastic. So it's just got a little bit of writing there on the back. It just says the gift box features premium Btartbox nails in festive designs, offering a luxurious at-home manicure experience. Give the gift of salon quality nails that are easy to apply and long-lasting, perfect for spreading holiday cheer and style this season. This would make a beautiful gift for yourself or for somebody else for Christmas. So it's got a little kind of magnetic seal there. And that door just opens like that. That writing there is exactly the same as what's on the back, so I'm not going to read that out again. We've got kind of white ribbon handles on the little drawers. Guys, I'm obsessed with this box. It's beautiful. So in the top drawer, we've got a little Christmas card that's just for me from Hayley at the Btartbox team. We've got your Btartbox 100-180 grit nail file. Then we've got your gel glue, your builder gel and your top coat. These are full size 15ml bottles as well. So everything you need to apply the excort tips, including their mini flash cooler lamp. I'm not going to open that. And then in the second drawer we've got, I was quite happy with these because I've never had any of their gel press-ons. So these are not the excort tips, these are gel press-on tips that you glue on with the air drying kind of glue. I will take a look at these in closer detail in a minute. I love this box because you could replenish it. Once you've used some of these nails, you could buy more and put them back in and kind of keep this box as your little Btartbox storage container, couldn't you? Right, and in the last drawer we've got a couple of boxes of their excort tips. So these ones, I think these are medium, maybe long, kind of Frenchies. And these ones are particularly my favourite from Btartbox. These are the ones where you get 5 different colours inside. So starting with the press-ons, we'll take these out and just take a closer look. So these little boxes of press-ons, they come with 30 pieces. These ones, they're like a deep burgundy kind of red, aren't they? Like a short to medium square. So they're nice and matte, and they've got the French that's been done in like the glossy, hasn't it? Then it's got a mini file, a little orange wood stick, and there's a couple of alcohol prep pads. The rest of the tips are there in a little sealy bag. And we've got the air drying nail glue. So this is the kind of glue you don't need to use a lamp with. It'll just dry by itself. And if you don't like using the glue, they've also provided the sticky tabs. These are really good quality sticky tabs as well. They're one of the best ones that I've seen. So these ones are like an almond shape. These are beautiful, glittery red kind of cat magnetic effect, aren't they? So I'm not going to open the box because we already know what's inside them. They're very Christmassy and sparkly again, aren't they? Then these ones again, these are like almond, same as the previous ones. They're kind of nude with a little gold detail on them. Maybe they're little balls and little swirlies, I think. And lastly, these are my favourites. I think these would be quite popular. So these are just your simple little Frenchies, and they've got the silver chrome, little 4-pointed stars kind of thing on them. I do like them. They're the kind of nails that no matter what outfit you're wearing, they're going to just blend in and look right, aren't they? And then lastly, in the bottom drawer, we've got a couple of packs of the excort tips. So these are the 3-in-1 tips. These are, again, I think medium to long. I think these are medium length square. These are kind of your plain French ones. Lovely. And then this pack, these are amongst my favourite tips from Btartbox. So these have got 5 different colours inside them. So we've got a bit of a peachy creamy nude, and then these are more just a cream. Then we've got like a darker brown, and then we've got like a nudish pink, and lastly we've got the kind of pale brown. Fantastic to finish off autumn and fall. And lastly, these were sent over separately from the Christmas box. So I've got another pack of the Protecting Duo. You do need these. If you're using the Excort tips, you do need the Protecting Duo, which is the builder gel and the top coat. If you want them to last up to 30 days, you do need that. And lastly, I've got another bottle of the gel glue. So these are quite new. So these are ballerina shaped, long ballerina. And they've got a cat eye effect on them, but the cat eye is ombreed, so it's down at the tip and it kind of ombres off up the nail. I don't think I've seen these ones before. I've seen the full cover cat eye, but I don't think I've seen these kind of ombre ones. Once they're top coated, they're gonna look beautiful. They're really nice. And we've also got these ones. I thought these were the same, but these are not. If you look closely, these have got a French kind of cat eye, and they've got more of a sparkle that covers the whole of the nail tip. So rather than the cat eye fading off like an ombre, these have got like a really subtle kind of French smile line. These are beautiful. These are the ones I'm actually going to use today. We did have one missing there, and I thought it might be in the pack, but it wasn't. It was just totally gone and not there. So for anybody that is new and doesn't know what these 3-in-1 tips are, so these tips have already got the tip primer on them and the soft gel tip, and they've got the base coat on them as well. They're pre-etched underneath. They're already primed, ready to go. You can etch them a little bit extra if you want to put extra primer on, or etch them a little bit more. You can absolutely do that, but they are primed and ready to go, and they've already got the base coat. Being on this frame as well really helps with sizing. You want to make sure they fit really snug like that, sidewall to sidewall. And if you're in between sizes, always go with the bigger size tip, and you can just file it and customize it to fit your nail bed. Don't ever go with the small one. Okay, so quick bit of nail prep. I'm just going to push all my cuticles back, and I'm going to use the other end of the cuticle pusher just to scrape away any dead skin. I haven't really got any because I do my nails quite a lot. I never really have much to scrape off, but if you have got any dead skin, get rid of that because it will cause lifting. And I'm going to use a buffer. Your natural nails that are a bit shiny, so get rid of that shine and get your nails all buffed and scratched up like that. Gel doesn't like to stick to a shiny surface, so give them a really good buff. So I've got my lamp ready to go. I'm going to start with my pinky. So I'm just going to coat the inside where it's going to be attached to my nail. Coat it with the gel, and then I'm just going to leave a little extra bit of gel right at that cuticle area there. And then we're going to press it down at my cuticle area and lower that tip. And once you can see that gel has fully covered your nail, stick it under your flash lamp. So quick and so easy. These are beautiful. I'm really getting into this length and shape. I never used to like them, but this past year or so, yeah, I've started liking this length and shape. So again, put it down at my cuticle area and lower that tip. You will see the glue like kind of cover your nail straight under the flash lamp, and then they're going to need a full 60 seconds cure in your full size lamp. So that's them all applied. Just going to use a file to get these little knobbly bits off the very tips, so just gently file that off. And don't forget guys, I have got a discount code for Btartbox and a direct link. I'll leave it all down in my description box. So I've pulled out some of these stickers from Vornail. They're just gold metallic kind of stars, and some of them have got like a little transparent rhinestone in them. Didn't want to add too much to them. I didn't want to cover up the cat eye effect because these are beautiful as they are. So stickers are not really going to stick to the matte surface, so I'm going to go in with the Protecting Duo number 1, which is the builder gel. I'm going to go in with that first and completely cover all these nails, and make sure you brush right over the edge of that tip. You want to make sure you cap the edge of that tip. You don't want anything peeling up or chipping, so just make sure you cap that free edge with the builder gel. And this is going to need a full 60 seconds cure in your big lamp. And I am going to wipe that tacky layer off the builder gel because the stickers, they won't stick down on that wet tacky layer. Look at them, aren't they pretty? I was so tempted to just leave them as they are like that, but I can't help myself but just stick something on them. Look at that French smile line. I'd love to be able to do that and get it exactly the same on every nail with the cat eye gel. I could probably do it once, but I couldn't repeat it on all 5 nails. Right, so I'm just going to stick some of these stickers down now. They'll stick better on this builder gel than what they would have done on that kind of matte surface, but only if you've wiped that tacky layer off. I have found if you put these kind of stickers on a tacky layer, they kind of peel up by the time it comes to top coating them. So that's why I wiped that tacky layer off. Right, and lastly, we're going to get these top coated now. So I'm not going to top coat over the rhinestones. If you top coat over these rhinestones, you do lose the facets on them and they don't sparkle half as much. You can top coat over them, that's fine. They just won't sparkle as much. So again, I'm going to cap that free edge. Make sure you pull that brush right over the very tips of those nail tips. They're going to get another 30 seconds cure and that'll be this set finished. So there we go guys, that is them finished. I'm loving these. I love that smile line, it's so perfect. It's hard to see the smile line on these nails. You see it better on the thumb because I'm holding it deadly straight, whereas these nails you're kind of looking at them from an angle, but that smile line is a perfect smile line on every single nail. They're absolutely beautiful and I think they're just that perfect everyday wear kind of length, aren't they? Anyway guys, that is it for today. I just wanted to quickly mention Btartbox has got a massive Black Friday sales on until the 2nd of December. Massive discounts, and I believe my discount code works on top. So definitely, if you were thinking of getting anything, get it before the 2nd of December and take advantage of all the sales, guys. I will leave links to everything down in my description box with my discount code. And don't forget these limited edition Christmas boxes, once they're gone, they are gone. And they're customizable, so you can pick and choose what style kind of nails you want inside them. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.